Yeah, what is our yesterday's topic?
Inputs, normal inputs, and if
Okay.
else.
I given one assignment, I think. Student marks related assignment I given or not? Okay. So the next topic is nesting. Okay. So here what we are doing, there is a single if. Okay. If we are writing one condition. Okay. We are writing one condition. If inside that, okay, inside that another if, okay, another if, another else, like that, the condition. Okay. Then one more or not like one more, this is also nesting. Okay, still if you are writing number one more condition inside that particular loop, okay, that particular condition, then it is called a nesting. This is the syntax of nesting. Syntax of nesting. Okay, so not only in if, okay, if you are having some else condition also here, something like a, okay, here if you have, okay, something like a statements. Okay, here else will be there. Okay, inside else, okay, inside else if there is any condition. Okay, inside else if there is any condition. Okay, okay, this is called as nesting, guys. Okay, if inside another if, or if inside else inside another if, like that it is there, then that is called as a nesting. Okay, how to implement this in our program, or how to write a code for this? Suppose something like a if. Okay, if I'm taking, before that I'm taking one variable. Okay, one variable called marks. Okay, one variable. Okay, marks is equal to marks I will take from a user. Okay, user int input, please enter your marks. Okay, please enter your mark. If marks below, okay, or something like that, below, above 80, and marks below 100. Okay, below 100, print your marks. Okay, marks, I want to print how many marks we got. Okay, this is general single condition. Okay, this is general single condition. We are writing entire condition here only. Okay, entire condition here only, like this we are writing. If inside 80 to 90, okay, if inside 80 to 100, okay, if inside 90 to 100, how to write a condition? Okay, okay, then see guys, if, okay, marks above 90, okay, one condition, above or 95 I will write. Okay, above 95, above 95, and marks below 100. Okay, below 100, something like I want to show the marks, you can write GPA or percentage, whatever you want, you can write here. Okay, next, here only one more condition. Here only one more condition. If marks, okay, above 90, above 90, and marks below below 95, below 95, same line, you can make any grade system as a plus plus a plus plus plus, like that you can make. I am simply writing your marks like that I am writing, but you can write any grading system. Okay, something like a plus a plus plus a plus plus plus, like that you can write. So if he got a marks, if he got a marks more than this one, okay, more than 95, 95 and below 100, then we are showing marks, but you can show like a very good, very very good, very 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 good, like that you can show. So this is called nesting, guys. Okay, this is called nesting. So I'm compiling this. Now you check, control F9. Okay, why this always? Okay, no issue. Control yes. Evening batch, morning batch, morning batch. Nesting testing. Okay, just give me a second. Okay, this one is invalid syntax, like that it is showing. Okay, no issue. Control 1. Okay, is it visible, guys? Yeah. So this is called nesting, guys. Also you can write more number of if and else conditions. Suppose one condition is true, depends upon that condition you want to write some other thing. Like that you can write if inside if inside if inside else. Okay, like that you can write, guys. Okay, that is called nesting. Now we will observe this. Yeah, I think my spider only showing some error. Yeah, right. Ours is nesting, right? Control yes. Okay. My folder inside D drive, CD, Python, ls, cd morning batch to ls. Inside mine is a nesting testing.py. Okay, so python nesting testing.py. Okay, enter your marks. I am entering 96. Okay, your marks are 96. Okay, so you are getting right. So like that, this is under this condition. Okay, the print statement coming up to this one. Okay, now I am checking with another number. Okay, now I am entering 93. Okay, 93. Your marks are 93. Okay, got it, guys? Like this, you can write a nesting conditions. Okay, the next topic is loop control. Okay, the next topic is loop control. Okay, loop control. Here generally we are going with the two main loops. Okay, for loop. Okay, for loop. Okay, second one is while loop. Okay, do. Okay, not third one. Okay, note do is not there. Okay, in the python 3x version. Okay, 3x version python do is not there. Do loop also there in some other statically type languages, but here we don't have do in this one. Okay, so first of all, for loop. Okay, for loop you want to repeat. Okay, you want to repeat the statement n number of time. Okay, n number of time, n number of times you want to repeat the loop. Okay, repeat the loop, then that time you can use the for loop. Okay, you can use for loop. Syntax, guys. Syntax. Okay, for here something like a your variable name, variable underscore name. Okay, in there are different type of this one is there. One is this one, range. Just a minute, guys. हाँ हाँ like a variable and function. Okay, inbuilt function called range. Inside range you need to give start. Okay, then after stop. Okay, then after step. Okay, start stop step we need to give. Okay, how to give start stop step we need to give colon, then here your statements. Here your statements. Got it right, guys? Okay, for variable name in range. Okay, start stop step you need to give. Okay, better here we will write this one. Yeah, start step we need to give. Okay, Just a minute. Hello, hello, hello. కొంచెం ఇష్టం ఇష్టం. ఆమె రాదు కదా, ఆమెకు మంచిగా లేదు. 3 days. సరే ఓకే, నేను చెప్తాను అన్న. నాకు ఇంకా టైం పడుతుంది, నా క్లాస్ నడుస్తుంది. ఉమ్, సరే ఓకే. ఆ, ఈమె రావచ్చుడా? ఈమె వచ్చుడు ఎందుకు? ఆ, సరే ఓకే, చేస్తాను. సరే, నేను క్లాస్ మళ్ళీ చెప్తాను. ఇలా స్విమ్మింగ్ పోతారు ఇలా? స్విమ్మింగ్ పోతారా వీళ్ళు? అవునా, ఏమైంది ఓకే. సరే సరే. Yeah, guys. So here like a for loop, okay. For loop, this is like a variable name. In is the membership function, okay, membership operator. The range wherever means like up to which range you want, that range you can take, and whatever you want to do the programming logic you can write here. So we will implement this, then after we will go with some more for conditions like a for, okay, and here is a variable name is fine. In, okay, directly length you can give, okay, length of a variable name, okay, variable name you can give, okay. This is a one more syntax, okay, this is a one more syntax. Here again your statement, okay, variables. And generally if you want, if you don't want to give variable name, okay, if you don't want variable name, then you can give underscore directly, okay. In you can pass directly lists also, okay. You can pass list, tuple, okay, any data type you can pass, guys. Strings also you can pass, okay. How I am writing something like a str, okay, str list tuple, okay, tuple. Then indentation is very important, guys. Here the little space will be there, okay, the little space will be there. Here is also little space will be there, here is also same, okay. And then after your statements again. Now we will implement this concept, then we will look into another concept, okay. First of all, go to this one, okay. Now I am opening one more file, for underscore, for underscore loops dot file, okay. Now for I in range, okay, range, suppose I want from 0, okay, 0, okay, wait guys, wait, okay, 10, okay, step is 1, okay. Then after print, print, this is testing for loop, okay, this is testing for loop. Control yes, okay, control yes. Here what is my file name? Here you need to give the file name. So for loop dot py, okay. Yeah, here I given little syntax wrong, right? So here, oh, comma, come out. Okay. Got it, guys? Anyone having any doubt? How it is coming? Okay. How it is coming? We will see now. Print. Okay. What is the range function will do? Okay. What is the range function will do? Range function will take a first one as a start position. Okay. Start position. The second one is a, like a stop position. Okay. Second one is a stop position. Okay. And the third one is a step position. Okay. Step position. So what is mean by start? What is mean by stop? What is mean by step? We will see now. Start from where you are looking the numbers. Okay, suppose I am looking for the for in this particular code I started with the 0. Okay, I started with the 0. So what is my position? Starting position is 0. You can take from 1, guys. Okay, stop is like n minus 1, guys. N minus 1, whatever number you are giving. Okay, in example I given like a 10. Okay, I given like a 10, but 10 minus 1, the condition is what, guys? 10 minus 1, it is indirectly 9. Okay, it is indirectly 9. So 0 to 9 indirectly 10 numbers, guys. Okay, 0 to 9 indirectly 10 numbers. So 0 means start 1, stop 1, step. How much increment you want? Okay, suppose initially it is 0. The step if you are given 1. Okay, step if you are given 1 plus 0 plus 1, the first iteration. Okay, we call first iteration, second iteration, third iteration, like that. Okay, in the like in the zeroth iteration or something, like in the first iteration you can take. In the first iteration it will be like a 0 only. Okay, uh, default it will not take the step. After one iteration it will take a step. Okay, now in the second iteration it will be added 1. Okay, then after the next iteration it will add one more 1. Okay, one more 1. This is something like a third iteration, guys. Okay, this is the third iteration. In the fourth iteration it will be number is 2. Okay, number is 2 plus 1. Okay, this is something like a fourth iteration. Okay, next the number is 3 plus 1. Okay, this is something like a fifth iteration. Like that it will continue up to 9. Okay, it will come, it will up to 9. 9 plus okay, 9 plus 1, it will be 10, right? So stop it. What it will do, it will stop here. It will check the condition by default. Okay, it will check the condition by default. If it goes boundary of 10, okay, it will stop the process. It will stop the process. So just a minute. Yeah, now, guys, so to understand little easily what I am doing, I am directly printing I. Okay, I am directly printing I. Okay, otherwise what I will do, I will copy this, paste. I don't want these lines. Control 1. Okay, shift tab, shift tab. I want a little space, otherwise it will be error, indentation error. So I am giving little space. Now what I am printing, I am printing I know. Okay, I know I will be started from 0. Like that it will increment by 1. Okay, likewise if initially it is 0, in the next iteration it will be 1. In the after that iteration it will be 2, 3, like that it will goes up to ninth one. Okay, now observe the output. Okay, initially it is what, guys? 0. It will goes up to 9 and it will stop there. Okay, it will stop there. Now we are going with a one more condition. Okay, for I in, okay, for I in range, this time I am taking step as 2. Okay, step 2 means what is mean by step is something like it will add with the particular number. If you are giving 1, it will add 1. If you are giving 2, it will add 2. If you are giving 3, it will add 3. Like that it will go. Okay, now observe the output. Print I. So I am commenting this one. Control question mark, control yes. Yes, Okay, this is addition of plus 1 means the step is 1. Here step is 2. So how much it will add? 0 plus 2, the output is 2. 0 means the next one is a 2. 2 plus 2, it is a 4. 4 plus 2, it is a 6. 6 plus 2, it is a 8. Got it, guys? Okay, like this for loop will increase. Okay, like this for loop will increase. If you are increasing by 3, okay, if you are increasing by 3, see the output, guys. Control question mark. Okay, shift tab, this one. Now control S. Oh, sorry, I not change. Okay, 3. Control S. See, guys, this time like a 0, 3, 6, 9. So observe the output. That is something like all numbers displayed. When we are doing plus 2 step, then this is output. Plus 3 step, this is the output. Okay, if you increase the step, okay, if you increase the step 4, how many numbers it will print, guys? 0 plus 4. Okay, 0 iteration, 4th iteration. Okay, 4th after 9th iteration. Okay, 9th iteration. Sorry, 4 plus 4, it is like a 8th iteration. 8th iteration after it will stop. Okay, 0, 4, 4 plus 4, 8th iteration, then it will stop. It will not go behind 8. Why? Because my last step is a 9. Okay, but if I add 8 plus 4, it will goes to 12. So 12 is not there in my range. Okay, so because of that reason, it will not print. Got it, guys? Anyone having any doubt? Now control this one. Okay, now if I am not writing step, okay, if I am not writing step, what is the output? Okay, if I am not writing step, so by default it will increment 1, guys. Okay, by default it will increment 1. If you are not writing step, so by default it will increment by 1. Okay, if you are writing something step, it will increment with that particular step. Okay, but generally it will gives like a step 1. Okay, suppose control C. Okay, if you are not writing start position. Okay, if you are not writing start position, start position, control S. What happened, guys? By default, if you are not mention any start position, it will take from 0. Okay, it will take from 0. If you want to start position from 10 to 100, okay, 10 to 100, yes, guys, it will work. Okay, okay, my start position should be 5. Okay, my start position is 5, and my end position is something like 100. Okay, step I want 5. Okay, step I want 5. This is equal to fifth table, guys. This is equal to fifth table. Okay, yes, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, like that it is up to 95. Okay, if you want 100 also, if you want 100 also, this is like a n minus 1. So 100 minus 1, that will be equal to 100 minus 1, 99. So if you want 100 also, if you want 100 also, you need to give 101. So 101 indirectly, what will happen? N minus 1. So 101 minus 1, it will be 100. Now if you observe the output, 100 will also display. See, see, guys, here it is up to 95 only. It is a 100. So like this for loop will be there, and nesting for also there guys. You can write a nesting for. Okay, we will see nesting for also. Control C. Nesting for. Okay, here same like for I instead I will write a J. You can take I also guys, but little confusion will be there. So to avoid that I am writing. Okay, here to understanding purpose I am taking very less numbers. Okay, 0 0 to 5 I want. Okay, step will be 1. Okay, step will be 1. Okay, next inside 0. Okay, I will take another number 0 up to 10. I will take, step will be 1 only. Okay, step will be 1 only. After this I want a print I comma j. Okay, I comma j. What will happen guys, what will happen, I am erasing this. Okay, for first for loop, okay, for first for loop, that will be I will be constant for some time. Okay, suppose I equal 0, it will enter into the inner loop, right? It will enter into the inner loop. Here j is equal to 0 onwards we are starting. Okay, up to 10 times it need to rotate. Okay, or it need to loop. So 10 times it need to loop, and the step will be 1 because of one step. So it should repeat 10 times. So for I0, this is a step guys, for I0. Then this for loop will also increment, right? So I equal to 1. Okay, I equal to 1, it will enter into again the internal loop. Again j value starts from 0. J value starts from 0 and j value increment up to 10. Okay, j value increment up to 10. Okay, then the step will be 1. Like that, how many I values are there, that many times that many times I will repeat. Okay, once j it is enter into the inner loop. Okay, enter into the inner loop, that many times it will loop. Okay, that many times it will loop. So we will see the output. Control S. See guys, for I is initially 0 only. I is 0 only. J is repeating from 0 to 9. Then I is incremented. I is incremented for 1. Okay. Then result will be like a J value up to 9. Next, I value incremented 1. Okay. I value incremented 1. J will repeat for again 9 times. Okay. Likewise, how many I's are there? Okay, that many times it will repeat the loop. Internal j will repeat something like outer I will repeat 5 times. Internal j will repeat for 5 into 10, 50 times it will rotate guys. Got it? Anyone having any doubt with for loop? Okay, like this you can write for loops. Okay, and if you are not giving any special characters, okay, if you are not giving any special characters in a printer, it will print in a next line. Okay, every time it will print in a next line. If you want in same line, okay, మీకు సేమ్ లైన్ లో ప్రింట్ కావాలి అని అనుకుంటే, ఓకే, సేమ్ లైన్ లో ప్రింట్ కావాలి అని అనుకుంటే there is a separate method guys. Okay, we can say parameter also. End. Okay, end is equal to this one. Okay, if you are giving like this, it will print in only one line guys. Okay, very important, one line. So I don't want this control question mark, I want this control S. See, the output printed in a same line, so it will not go so other line. Okay, but generally when you are using for loop, use like this only. Okay, like this you use. Okay, don't go for end method. If you little aware, okay, if you little aware, then only go with like this. and there is a one more argument called separator. Okay, separator. Step. Okay, right. Step. Okay, this is one separator. So we call. Okay, whatever separator you want, you can use that. Okay, I want something like iPhone. Okay, I want something like a iPhone. I want, so control yes. See guys, the separator is what guys? IPhone. Okay, previously it is empty. Previously it is empty. Now I given like a iPhone. Okay, whatever separator you want to give, you can give that guys. Okay, whatever separator you want to give, you can give that separator. Okay, there is a no issue, or there is a no restriction. Okay, I want suppose two edge rates or three edge rates. Okay, yes guys, it will work. See guys, three edge rate, three edge rate everywhere, three edge rate everywhere. So like this you can use separator and you can use end guys. Okay, end guys. Now I will show you one more this one. Okay, for I in range I want this much range only. 0 5 1 range. Okay, next for j in range how many I want for this also like a 5 1 comma 5 comma 1. Okay, comma 1. Print star. Print star. Okay, this is very important program guys. Most of the time they will ask for different patterns. Okay, they will ask for different patterns. So control yes. Here you need to apply your bench, then only you will get the output accurately. Now I got all the stars guys, all the stars I got. Okay, in separate line I got, but I don't want in a separate line. Okay, I want in single line. Okay, in single line, but after one for loop. Okay, after for one for loop I want that should be separate. Okay, that should be separate. Means what is my intention is something like a 1 star, 2 star, 3 star, 4 star. Okay, 5 star. After this is a one iteration. Okay, after this I want like this. Okay, like this you can increment your this one guys. So end what it will do, end will give okay up to whatever certain range you are giving now, up to that time it will stays in the same line. Okay, stays in the same line once you are giving, or once you are out of that particular thing. Okay, so after this one when I should increment, that time I am giving new line. So observe the output guys. This is a one type of pattern. Okay, this is a one type of pattern. Like this I want from you like this triangle I am looking for. Okay, this is one assignment for you, and this one another assignment. Okay, you need to use decrement increment, like that you need to use that. Okay, you need to use decrement increment, like that you need to use, then only you will get these kind of symbols there. Okay, I want these two outputs. Okay, then after we will try with a different output. These two you try and let me know. Okay, this is the first assignment. Okay, this is second assignment. I want this one. Okay, I want this one. Both output I want. Okay, by using for loops only, and that is also nesting for loop only, you will get this kind of output. Got it, guys? Now, now we are going with one more condition called while. Okay, while. While is called a unconditional loop. Okay, uncontrollable loop or unstoppable loop. Okay, there is a condition, guys, but unstoppable loop, something like unstoppable, unstoppable loop. So syntax is while. Okay, here you need to write condition. Here you need to write condition. Then after while condition, after your statement. Yeah, how to implement this one we will check now. Okay, what I will do, I will create one folder, loops. Okay, inside this loops I will do move, move. Okay, back okay, now inside this loops I'm taking one more this one, while loop dot 5. So guys, while you need to write a condition. So to check the condition, how I am writing, num num is equal to 10. Okay, my number is equal to 10. While while I need to write a condition, right? Num double equal to 10. Okay, double equal to 10. Then print num. Control yes. There is a no this is a condition, guys. Okay, when condition is true, I want what? I want to print. Okay, what is that number? Now see, guys. Okay, we need to go into the loops folder, cd loops, ls python while loop. Guys, see, here you observe the output. Okay, I am taking this one to the top. Now observe, it is coming up to here, so it is printing, guys. Okay, it is still printing. Okay, to avoid this confusion, just a minute, control C for break. Okay, control C for break. Okay, now, so I want to increment number Okay, I want to increment number to check the condition or to check a while statement very neatly. I am taking a is my variable. Initially I am taking 1. Okay, initially I am taking 1. I am printing. Okay, I am printing a plus 1. Okay, a plus 1. Okay, or you can do like this. A equal to a plus 1, a plus 1. You can write a here. Okay, now guys. Okay, no issue. We'll close and we will take one more this one. CD, D drive, CD, Python, inside Python, CD, morning class, morning batch 2, ls, CD, loops. Okay, this is done. ls. Okay, now my example is while underscore loop. Python while underscore loop dot py. See guys, observe. So it is not stopping noise. Okay, it is going continuously. If I don't stop, it will goes like that only. It will not stop. Because of this reason only, while loop is a not stoppable loop. Okay, if your condition is true, okay, if your condition is true, it will enter into the loop. Okay, then it will repeat that loop. Depends upon your condition guys. I am not telling like every time it is unstoppable. You can stop the loop. Okay, you can control the loop. See guys, it is going still. Got it guys? Anyone having any doubt? Okay. No, it is fine guys. Okay. Okay. Now I cleared that. You can get a output like that. Now, if you want to control, okay, if you want to control, how to control for loop? Okay, how to control for loop? Just a minute guys. Control C, control V. Okay. This time I don't want this. Okay. I don't want this. Control question mark. Okay. Print num. Print num. Okay, I am taking number is equal to 1. Okay, number is equal to 1. Okay, number below 10, below 10 it is fine. Otherwise number is equal to num plus 1. Okay, num plus 1. What we are doing guys, same like previous one case only, but there we not use any means different variable we used. Here I am using same variable, and I want to go up to 10 only. I don't want to go behind 10. Okay, here. So one is okay. Wait, which number I given? Okay, one. Okay, initially only I am adding. So because of that reason only we are getting like that. So better what I will do? I will do this one here. Okay. Yeah. Like this you can get guys. Okay. Anyone having any doubt? The while or for loop? Okay. You can write if condition, else condition, or any other conditions also you can write here guys. How to write here we will see now. control 1. Okay, suppose here you wrote one condition. Okay, here you wrote one condition, but see, I am giving up to 1000. Okay, up to 1000, and this is okay. But if num equal to 100, okay, equal to 100, then this is matched. Okay, this is matched. Now control yes. Okay, I got this is matched, so 100 number is came. So we want to print every number. Yes guys, if you want to print every number, you can do that also. So print num, control yes, 100. Okay, sir, we want every number, then don't write print here. Okay, you write print here. Okay, but where is the 100 matched or not, we need to check, right? For that just give me a second. See guys, when is 100, this is matched. Okay, like this, wherever conditions are there, there you can write some separate uh, separate strings to understand whether it is matched or not. So like that you can stop. Okay, here we are not stopping, right? But you can stop using break condition. I mean, by using break keyword you can stop the loop. Okay, you can stop the loop. So I will show you. Control 1, break keyword, break keyword. Okay, break keyword. Now see guys, control V. Okay, once 100 is matched, okay, 100 is matched, you want to stop this. Okay, you want to stop this, then use the break keyword. Okay, break keyword. By using break keyword, what cursor will do, cursor will stop the flow here. Okay, cursor will stop the flow here. Observe the previous output, it is not stopped, it continuously gone through. Okay, after your match is got, okay, your match is got, but still it is repeated. But if you don't want that, then you can use like this. Control yes. Okay, python while loop. Okay, wait, what happened? Ah, yes, got it guys. This is I don't want. Control 1. No. Yes, it is stopped here, it not went for the next numbers. Okay, it not went for next number. What break will do, break will stop the process there itself. Okay, break will stop the process there itself, it will not repeat the process for next lines. Okay, got it? Anyone having any doubt? Okay, the next one is a continue keyword. Okay, what continue keyword will do, okay, before this one, here it will stop the process, it will continue the process. Okay, it will continue the process, guys. Got it? Anyone having any doubt? All right. So syntax we will see. Okay. Here we are writing break statement. So it is not repeating. Okay. It is not repeating. It is stopping here. But when you write the continue statement, okay, continue statement, it will continue the loop. Okay. It will continue the loop. Now observe the output. I am commenting this. Control question mark. See guys. It will continue up to 1000. Okay, 1001. If you give, okay, 1000 are equal to we are writing, so it is printing like that. If you don't want, you can stop up to 1000 only. Okay, this is about a for loop and a while loop, guys. And break, continue, pause I will show you later. Okay, index and index slicing is there. Okay, we will continue this topic tomorrow, guys. Okay, not tomorrow, day after tomorrow. Got it? Anyone having any doubt?